inside your car ever stink or have like a weird smell, most likely that is your cabin filter. So I got this cabin filter off of Amazon. I use these in my F-150. That's right there. And actually replacing the one in here is a lot faster than in the F-150, I'll tell you that. In the F-150, you need some tools. Here, you don't even need some tools. This will be done before you know it. So the only thing we need to pay attention to here is the airflow. So the first thing we're gonna do is open this up. I did empty this out a little bit, and I'll try to get you some footage here closer. So these little tabs here, you basically just have to push them in. So you look, see if I push them in right there, and then literally this falls out. All right, now we're gonna get a little bit closer. So inside here, we have this little honeycomb. This is where the filter is. So there's these little tabs here. You just pull this tab, pull this tab. It says filter cover. I just like to leave it in orientation, and I'm gonna pay attention to the orientation of this. So you can see it's pointing airflow. Oh, the arrow is pointing down. So I'm gonna make sure when I put the new one in, let me look at that. So this is the old one, or the original one. And this is the one I'm gonna replace it with. So look how much thicker that is. And this thing is nasty. I'm not sure if this was ever replaced. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. It's kind of crazy that this stuff gets inside. I think you know the next step here. Slip the new one in. Just like that. Got these little tabs. We're gonna put this tab in. We got these little hooks on the bottom. There's 3 of them. They go on there. Really can't mess this up. Just like that. And then you close it up. And that's it. Cabin filter replaced. Please like, please subscribe. If you want to pick this filter up, I definitely recommend them. I'll put a link down below. You can pick this right up on Amazon. I'm Mike, Family TV. Leave me a comment down below and consider subscribing to the channel. I'm Cabin Filter out.